Hello, I'm Siti Salmah, and now I want to explain about sound, spelling, and symbol. Sound is the term to describe what is heard when sound waves pass through a medium to the ear. And the phonetic spelling is the representation of vowel sound which express pronunciation of words. It's a system of spelling in which each letter represents invariably the same spoken sound. And phonetic symbols are a written character used in phonetic transcription of represent a particular speech sound. For example, the word seven. Seven have five letters: S, E, V, E, N. And seven have five sound: S, E, V, E, N. And the other example is the word red. Red have three letters. It's R, E, and D. And red have three sound: R, E, D. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.